is Rachel Denton, and I'm one of the data analytics instructors with General Assembly. Today, we're going to discuss how to create a histogram in Excel. Let's get started. In this example, we have a table of products that were ordered and their corresponding sales. I'm going to show you how to create a histogram to understand the distribution of these sales across these various products that were ordered. To do this, we first need to select our data. Then we'll press Insert. We'll make our way over here to our chart menu options. Select the statistical option, click on the drop-down menu, and select Histogram. This histogram has automatically broken up the sales data across these orders by bin width of 100. What that means is how many orders there were across sales in these various ranges. If you remember, the goal was for us to understand the distribution of sales across the various orders. For any sales that were between $10.32 and $132.32, they would fall within this bin. For any sales that were within $130.32 and $250.32, they would fall within this bin. This is what makes a histogram different than a bar chart, are these various bins that are created. Thus, we can see the number of orders that fall within each one of these bins. To make this even clearer, we can add some formatting to this chart by adding in some data labels as well as our axis titles. To do that, we can go over here to our Add Chart Element menu. Add in our primary horizontal axis, our primary vertical axis, as well as our data label. This will be number of orders. This will be sales. And that is how you create a histogram in Excel.
Interested in diving deeper into Excel and data analytics? Check out our free intro classes in the links below. Thanks for watching.